How to produce noodles. Henan Yipinxian machine was established in 1999. It is a noodle machine manufacturing enterprise. 1 dough mixer. Put water, salt, and flour into the dough mixer in a certain proportion and mix them. 2 noodle pressing machine. Put the mixed dough into the dough pressing machine and knead it several times to make dough cakes. Three multifunctional noodle machines. The dough cake can be made into Yipinxian noodles. After passing through the multifunctional noodle machine, it can be automatically oiled and overlapping. The size, thickness, and weight of Yipinxian noodles can be adjusted. Multifunctional noodle machine can also produce noodles by replacing the cutter. The thickness and length of the noodles can also be adjusted. It can also automatically brush oil and stack the noodles. Multifunctional noodle machine can also produce fresh noodles, pasta, vegetable machines, etc. by replacing the knives. 一品鲜